Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the keyboard replacement process for your Asus F1505Z, first, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a replacement keyboard specifically designed for the Asus F1505Z model. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and carefully lifting the battery out of its compartment. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Once the battery is removed, locate the screws securing the bottom panel of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew all visible screws. Keep these screws organized. You can use a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. With the bottom panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Use the microfiber cloth to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will ensure optimal performance and longevity of your device. Now, focus on the keyboard assembly. You will notice additional screws that secure the keyboard to the frame of the laptop. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. After unscrewing, gently lift the keyboard using the spudger, starting from the edges to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the keyboard is free, carefully disconnect the ribbon cable that attaches it to the motherboard. To do this, gently lift the retaining flap on the connector and pull the ribbon cable out. If you're not comfortable performing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now it's time to install the new keyboard. Align the ribbon cable of the new keyboard with the connector on the motherboard and push it in. Secure it by pressing down the retaining flap. Next, position the new keyboard into place, ensuring it fits snugly into the frame. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the keyboard. Before reassembling the laptop, double-check that everything is connected properly and there are no leftover screws. If you're hesitant at any point, you can always reach out to us for a quote before repair, making sure you know the costs up front. Now, reattach the bottom panel by aligning it with the laptop frame and pressing down until it clicks into place. Insert and tighten the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is secure. Finally, slide the battery back into its compartment until it clicks into place. Power on your laptop and test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.